Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam and in this PTC Creo Parametric Series. So this is our 87th video and the topic right now we are covering is Advanced Surfacing in PTC Creo Parametric, which is a separate module, and if you see this icon gray, you can talk to your IT and get this module for yourself, which is Interactive Surface Design Extension. So let me click on it. And as you know, in our last two videos, we already have covered the interface as well as the curve tool. In this video, we will be talking about drop curve. So drop curve is a similar tool that we generally see here in case of normal modeling, which is project. But this tool is more general tool. However, the drop curve is more specific. So let's see how we can utilize drop curve. Let's click on drop curve. And now what we need to do here is, first of all, we need to select the curve. Now, in order to select the curve, you need to have a curve, right? And here in this case, I do not have. So let me actually cancel it. And now I'm going to go here in curve. Let's go with planar curve. And let's say I would like to add a curve here in this plane. And I'm just forming this small random curve just to show you. Okay. Now let me click OK. Now let's say you want to drop this curve to the surface. So I'm going to use this drop curve. Now let's select the curve and let's select the surface. And as soon as you select the surface, here you can see this curve is now being dropped in the surface. And this curve is entirely 3D. And here you can see, since we projected this curve here in the surface and the surface is not 2D, so this 2D profile now got converted to this 3D. And here we can see how it look now. Now we do have few more options to tweak it, and that's how I guess it is more advanced than projection tool. For that, let me again go here in edit definition. Now for example, here you can define the direction. Let's make it normal to surface. And now here is how it look like. The curve is now placed here and is normal to surface. Now let me again go back edit definition and let's make it a long direction. And let's look for more customization, which is inside option. So here we can define end point as well as start point. So here we can extend this curve. Let's say we would like to extend this curve till the end point. So I can select this option. Now you will see the curve now got extended till this point. Similarly, let's say I would like to go till start. And that's how, guys, you now see this curve now flow from start to end of the surface. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video, and I hope, guys, you are enjoying this advanced surfacing in PTC Creo Parametric. So if you want to follow our entire series on PTC Creo Parametric, do check out the playlist link that I have added in the description of this video, and I will catch you soon with another video on this series in our next video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.